Get on there. What's up, internet? It's been a minute. I was on my YouTube analytics page last week, and it said I hadn't posted a video in over 150 days. And I think that's the longest I've ever gone. Definitely been busy. I wanted to kind of hop in and do a little bit of an update for you. I'm still around. Been a crazy year. I think I mentioned in another video that I had been working with a guy helping him with his business, doing marketing and IT stuff. That ended up turning into a full-time job for well over a year. That engagement has now concluded, so I'm free to start making some content again and catch up on tons of projects around here, which is pretty good because it's mid-April. Spring is springing outside. It's about 75 degrees. It's perfect weather to get some of these things done. First of which will be weed eating the whole hillside. When I built the house and we cleared that hill, I hurried up and got ryegrass and contractor mix planted just to hold the dirt. And last year it grew up to about this high. It's all rye. So I gotta go bale that hay, knock it all down. I got pine trees growing up where we cleared it off. I haven't figured out yet really what I want to do with that hillside. I absolutely have to have something planted there to hold it, but I don't want to have something I have to mow because it's at about a 45-degree angle. So any suggestions for what we could do with this hillside, let me know. Let's see, many of you know Jamie left the channel a couple years ago, so she'll no longer be in any of the videos. She's pursuing her career. And so it's just me. I'm gonna be doing outside projects, DIY stuff, a little bit of gardening. In fact, I've got a little bit of a garden video that I'm gonna do here in the next couple weeks. This plywood is for a project that I'll be building, a furniture project that I'll be building. So that's kind of it. Back to what we were doing before. Any suggestions on any content you want to see or topics you want to cover, just let me know in the comments. Right now I'm going to go get sweaty and cut down some hay. What was that, 3 or 4 or 5 pulls first running of the year? Should fire right up now with one. I know it doesn't look like it, but that was a lot of work. Now I'm cleaning up all this extra drain tube. It was just laying over there. That hillside, remember that scene in Gladiator where he's walking through the wheat? That's what that whole hillside looked like yesterday, so glad to have that cleaned up. I'm gonna go deal with this stuff. So I guess if I haven't made a video in over 150 days, that means that the last video was when we started demoing the mobile home. It's still there, exactly where I left it, with the porch half ripped off. I haven't had any time to go down and do anything with it. But I've been thinking about one of the projects I need to do is clean up and refurbish or remodel the front gate and fence. I made kind of a fence out of black locust a while back, and that did not hold up. It has since deteriorated and rotted away. It looks like crap, so I'm going to redo the whole fence, paint the gate, because all of the paint has kind of started chipping off, I think if I can salvage some of the porch lumber off of that trailer, I can make a decent looking fence, and then I'll coat it with like liquid rubber, which is black, and it'll look good and it'll probably last a while. So that'll be another project. Like really the big spring project is getting that mobile home off the property and getting that lot cleaned up. Can't make a cool video without doing some sketchy shit. I mean, how do you change your oil? Well, I gotta admit, I didn't know if that was gonna work or not, but I had to try it. Recycle. Don't die. Wonder where they're going. It worked. So I guess the lesson for today's video is that if you want to be innovative, create new things, discover new things, you've got to be willing to take risks. But that doesn't mean you have to be stupid. Common sense, a little bit of logic and critical thinking and basic understanding of physics, you can evaluate the risk and just go for it and see what happens. But you got to do the go for it part. Also, it helps if you have health insurance, if you can afford it. See you all in the next video.